In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page on your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to add an About Us section, a dedicated contact area, or any other custom content, creating a new page is a breeze with Shopify. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can have your new page up and running in no time. To get started, you'll first want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're securely logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which acts as the central hub for all your store management activities. From here, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu, which will guide you to various areas of your store. What we're interested in today is under the Online Store section. By clicking on that, you'll reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Pages. This section is where you'll manage all the pages that you create for your site. Now that you're under the Pages section, take a look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Add Page. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens and where you start crafting your new page. The first thing you'll need to do is set up the page by giving it a title. This title should clearly reflect the purpose of the page, such as About Us or Contact. Once you've sorted out the title, move on to the content area. Here you can get creative by filling in all the necessary information you want to share. Feel free to use text, images, or even embed a video if it suits the page's purpose. With the content now in place, you'll need to decide on the page's visibility settings. You have two options. You can set it to visible if you want your customers to access it immediately, or choose hidden if you're not ready to publish just yet. This flexibility allows you to take your time and only present the page when you feel it's perfect. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and your visibility settings are sorted, it's time for the final step. Simply click the Save button, which you'll find towards the top right of your screen. Saving your work ensures all your edits and inputs are securely stored. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create a new page in Shopify. With this new knowledge, you can continue expanding your store's website to better serve your customers and convey the story of your brand. Thanks for watching and happy building.